Hello friends, welcome to another Monday motivational video. In this Monday motivational video, I will be telling you how to study effectively, or I would say how to revise effectively, which is a major concern of major number of students that they don't know how to revise effectively. So the point is what is called a revision power hour. I will be telling you 5 steps in which you can revise, with which starting with the first step, that is choose a past paper question. So what you can do is pick a question or whatever topic you want to revise, right? Let's just talk about revising as per topics. Pick that question from a scanner or a guideline answers. It is completely up to you where do you want to pick it up, but choose a past paper question which relates to your topic. It will help you a lot in revising. Moving to the next step, revise. Now when you have picked the question, revise the topic that you think you're going to write it, right? Whatever is the question asking, give yourself 20 minutes and quickly revise whatever is there and quickly revise what you're going to write. It will also help you in writing practice, जो कि major number of students मुझसे पूछते हैं how to do. So that is very useful. The next step is do the question. Now again set a timer for 20 minutes and answer the past paper question you have chosen. Now as I told you, you have chosen a past paper question, you have revised it as well. Now the last step should be do the question, but give yourself only 20 minutes. It is just the beginning. It will help you in presentation. So for the first time, give yourself ample of time, like 20 minutes is enough. And then after writing, mark your question. Now using the mark scheme for the past paper, mark your answer. This will help you think like an examiner. Now what you can do in our professional exams, majorly marks are given as per the steps. So try to do step marking and try to see how much do you score by giving marks to each step, and how much do you score on an entire basis. It will be helpful for you. The last step is get feedback. Now what you can do is, now you have marked it by yourself, but the best part is show your teacher your work. Ask them whether your marking is accurate and how can you improve your answers. It will really helpful while you get feedback from the ones who are polished, who are your mentors. They could be your teachers, right? They are the best from the ones you can ask. So do it that way. It will really make a difference in your attempt, in whichever attempt you're going to sit. So this is going to be very effective, very accurate, and it's like a revision power hour. For 20 minutes I have given you the bifurcation. बाकी आप आगे पीछे का 10-15 मिनट अपना adjust कर लेना, but try to do it as quick as possible. I have given you like 1 hour, but you can shorten it to half an hour as well. I hope you liked the video. Do subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed.